Hello everyone, it's Aman and welcome back to my DIY channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video. And if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back, you guys. And for those of you who are new, in this channel, you will find me guiding you through each step and showing you all step by step on how to create these easy to make, creative, inexpensive DIY projects. Also, if you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. And you'll also get notified each time I post a new video on this channel. Now, in my last video, I had shared what's inside my pencil case. Now, for those of you who have missed that video, I'm going to leave the link just up here, so be sure to check out that video. Last video I did mention if you guys wanted me to share with you what I draw in my sketchbook, give you guys a whole sketchbook tour. Now, just to make you guys feel more special, I've never shared my sketchbook with anyone. I've never shown anyone what I draw on my sketchbook. You guys are the first people to actually get a tour. So without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. So this here is my art binder, that's what I like to call it, and I've had this binder for so many years, and in here I have all my drawings, sketches, just all stored in here, including my sketchbook that I've had for quite a long time. And I never really used to sketch much, as I like to paint and do like, you know, hands-on arts and craft projects. To kind of doodle and create sketches, I would just kind of grab my sketchbook and just, you know, make these drawings. And so as you can see now, this here is my sketchbook. This is a teddy bear cover sketchbook. It's so cute. Before I reveal my sketchbook, I just wanted to show you guys some of my old sketches that I've made. As you can see, it's Sailor Moon, Powerpuff Girls, SpongeBob, and then just some other sketches that I've made pretty much. Now it's time to reveal what's in the sketchbook. Now, throughout this video, you will get to see names next to the sketches. Now, I always kind of named most of my characters, and if you remember those fashion outfit books where, you know, it's mainly for like kids, where you would find at like a Dollartree or Dollarama or Walmart or even Toys R Us, where you get to style and kind of create outfits for the characters. Something pretty much like what I'm showing on the screen. So I kind of enjoyed doing that as a kid, and also somehow as I kind of grew a little older, like in middle school and like when I went to high school. Like I've mentioned in the past, I'm a very creative person, so I love designing and creating. I mean, I've loved it ever since I was a kid, and somehow creating outfits, making sure the hairstyle and makeup go well with each other, completing the whole look was something that I enjoyed doing during my free time and spare time as well. Now you might be noticing a beginner mode and then a more advanced mode in most of my sketches, because I've actually had this sketchbook for a while or so. Actually, I had this sketchbook ever since I was in middle school, and so as you can see that you've seen a beginner mode to a more advanced sketches, because like they say, practice makes it perfect. Now, many of you might be wondering, where do I get my inspiration when I make these sketches? I would say that most of my inspiration I actually got, talking about the past, when I began sketching, would be through movies, whatever I watched in television, and also on social media, YouTube. Pretty much that's how I got my inspiration from, and the kinds of outfits I would personally love to wear. You know, just that's how I kind of got my inspiration from. And then over the years, since social media has really kicked off, you know, I would say, yeah, most of my inspiration is from social media, movies, where I get to see certain outfits, characters, hairstyles, and that's pretty much how I got my inspiration from. The one on the left is probably one of my favorite sketches, I would say, and then also this one on the left is also one of my favorite sketches where I've made different poses of the characters. And then also these two as well. As you can see, I love the outfits and the coloring. I don't think I dislike any of my sketches, to be honest with you, but I'll have to say that most of the sketches that I've made, I'm pretty much proud of what I've made and what I've got to learn throughout making these sketches. Like I've said, there are some incomplete ones that I didn't really get a chance to kind of go back to and complete. And then there's some other inspired ones that I've made. Also some that are incomplete. And that's the end of my sketchbook tour. And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a like. It really keeps me motivated each time when you guys give this video a like, and comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video, and also you guys got a chance to see my sketchbook. You know, the thing about art is that it really helps me get away from reality, really, and just keeps me more motivated in a way as well. Honestly, I have to say that art has really helped me throughout my many aspects of my life, especially when I was during my school years. Speaking about art, I do have a quick announcement to make. Do you suffer from lack of confidence, self-esteem, and self-doubts? Well, I have the solution for you. I have a project called Confidence Through Creativity, which focuses on building self-confidence through the help of art. And if you want to learn more about it, I have the link in the description box, so click onto the link. It's absolutely free to join. It's a free Facebook group. Join now worldwide, where you will become that confident person that you deserve to be. Also, for those of you who don't know, I also have a vlog channel, so if you haven't checked out my vlog channel, be sure to click onto this link. I will start posting vlogs and other challenge videos on that channel, so stay tuned for that. In order to stay tuned, you have to subscribe to that channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. And today's video shout out goes to Crafty DIY. Shout out to you. Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. Also, for all my video updates, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is _Amanpreet Matharu. The link is down in the description below and just up here. And I also have a TikTok account, so if you haven't checked out my TikTok account, I'm going to leave the link again down in the description below and just up here. And they're super quick and easy arts and crafts, DIY projects that I do share on my TikTok as well. If you want to watch any of those on there, be sure to check out my TikTok. And I will see you in my next video, which will be coming out very soon. There is one that I'm working on right now, which I am so excited to share on this channel. So stay tuned and take care, stay safe, and stay creative, and bye.